may come up, or maybe not. Maybe he's not a speed racer, he's just more of a stance boy. Ooh, get back in my lane. What am I doing? Gotta go to the car wash, it's pretty dirty. Thank you guys for 1.5k subscribers, man. That is awesome. That is awesome. Check out the last video over here, man. A quick 10 in it, man. Quick 10. Pretty cold, but we're still gonna hit the car wash, man. The car needs to be cleaned. Do some pictures, sorry. And after fixing that battery draining issue, the car starts right up after it recharging itself, which is sick. I need like a nice phone holder so I'd be able to see myself and shit. Come on, people, man. People love to go extra slow. I hate the 1 to 2 guys, so bear with me. Shit's really boggy and just annoying. The reflash and all that, the flash rush should fix all that. It should be a lot better. Squeeze in at the last second, man. Let's do that. Is that a Subi? That sounds like that. Car's feeling pretty good after doing the whole brake change and everything. Car is a bit shaky. I don't know if it's just because of the tires, because it is from the previous TSX and that shit was kind of all wonked out. Yeah, I want to be dropping the car soon too, and I'm just trying to figure everything out and just do the maintenance stuff as I go as well. Upgrade and just keep it pushing. This guy has a mean ass exhaust leak. That shit is like hanging right there. Don't mind the alignment, guys. I need to, you know, I need to get one done since I've gotten the car, and I need to do the power steering pump, try to rebuild it from the hoses or something. I'm not too sure yet, but may get an aftermarket one, who knows. These bumps and everything is not as bad because I am stock height, which is still sad to say. Here comes the Subi. Yo, what's going on, guys? So I hope you guys enjoyed the little GoPro footage strapped to my head and whatnot. I'm gonna start using this a lot more so you guys could like get more of a raw feeling and just in-cabin view, because it's gonna do better than the camera can. So yeah, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up. Woo! Dude, oh, them birds are about to get smacked. If I turned into that lane, them things would have been dead. You guys, a little taste of good old Hartford, Connecticut, you know? The outside views are a little bit better than once you go in. Well, inside it's a little bit nice too at certain areas. Like it's a dope vibe to take pictures. Like I went this morning, I went out, took some pictures. Now this SUV that's like going along with me, bro. What the fuck? You just seen him going boom, boom. Yeah, I was gonna say the same thing. This guy's squirmy, man. Man, where's all the cool cars, bro? I have motherfuckers like this that try to do something like some cat and mouse type shit. He not doing nothing though. He just swerving for nothing. At a point, you gotta learn when you just fucking sit and calm down, bro. Like, what does this do? Like, steal this motherfucker? I think he stole that shit. I don't know what the fuck is that, bro. Motherfucker crazy. I don't know what the fuck he was doing. When people drive like that, I assume they like fucking stole it and they're trying to get the fuck away or something.
Maybe he's seen doing camo shit and he was like, you know, people get over adrenaline.
And they overdo that shit.
Gotta go fast, gotta go fast, gotta go faster, faster.
That's a minty truck right there. Hella rotted. Just what you guys like in the Northeast, man. Shit rot boxes. It's what we love, man. Bunch of salt to ruin our vehicles. Come on, let's not have it 2 days in a row where I can't get a spot, guys. I tried to come here yesterday and it wasn't looking too hot. I have to fucking go to a goddamn different fucking car wash some fucking where. Oh my fucking god, bro. Literally every time. This dude's just fucking sitting there chilling in his car. Come on, bro. Is there area or something? Literally every time, man. I need to build more car washes, not a damn warehouse. Fuck. But TSXs all around.
No.
What the fuck are you doing?
Fucking idiot.
Fucking retard. He's just focusing on his goddamn phone. Signal anything, and you're just gonna brake hard as hell and not.
Where? What are you doing?
What are you doing, bro? Jesus fucking Christ, bro. People of CT need to learn to drive, bro. It's so bad over here. Get some change by buying something.
Cheese.
I was thinking cheese curds, cheese shitters.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Could I just get an order of cheese curds? Yeah, just get some cheese curds. Don't look on my bank card info, guys. Alright, it's a neutral. Good, you. Thank you. You too. Oh my god, my dad is back, guys! Woo! Oh my god, look at that, guys. Cheese curds. Looks like everyone's coming into the cattle wash. I swear to God, probably neither of these are open. Oh my lord. Blocking the... I gotta get through. That's the entrance. You could easily pull up. You could easily pull up. You're a fucking douchebag. You're a fucking douchebag. You're a fucking douchebag. You could have pulled up. You could have easily pulled up. You could have easily pulled up. You could have easily pulled up and have to go all the way around, fit around this shit. Are you fucking retarded? Are you dumb? Are you dumb? You could have easily pulled up. Instead of getting out the fucking car, you could have fucking pulled up. Look at yourself. You don't even have teeth. You got a fucking herpes right there. Oh, you come here all the time. Sitting in your fucking car on your ass. Shut the fuck up. I'm like, god damn. Alright guys, I know you've seen the ending. Don't come at my throat. I mean, to be fair, when I pulled up, he was just sitting in his car. I just honked lightly just so he could maybe scoot up so I could squeeze through. You know, common sense, that's the exit. It goes like this. Every car wash is a one way. You go around and that was the exit. I'm not gonna go in between pumps and a car wash and shit like that. I don't ever do that. You don't ever see anyone do that because there's a fucking exit. So I honked a little bit, you know, I did a little beep. I didn't fucking come here all the time. Like that even matters. Just scoot up 2 feet, literally 2 feet. He could took it out of park because he was sitting in his car just chilling, not vacuuming. There was literally the garage length of fucking room. He could have scooted up and I would have. I'm not always like that. I'm chill. I had to be doing my thing or whatever. You know, if someone's gonna hop out of the car and start yapping at me, I'm not gonna not say nothing. I hold my ground, I speak the fuck up. And if people wanna take it however they wanna take it, then so be it. If you don't like me, you don't like the video, you don't like the channel, unsubscribe, man. There's plenty of other people who are growing daily. Sometimes you gotta say it with your chest, that motherfuckers feel dumb. So, that's exactly what I had to do there. This shit's all over YouTube, so don't come at my throat.